Solar panels, a comprehensive guide. In today's world, where sustainable living is becoming important, solar panels have gained massive popularity as a way to reduce energy bills and carbon footprints. But what exactly are solar panels and how can you integrate them into your home? In this blog, we'll explore what solar panels are, their benefits, and a step by step guide to help you install them in your home for maximum efficiency. So, what are solar panels? They are known as photovoltaic panels and are devices that convert sunlight into electricity. They are made up of solar cells which are typically composed of silicon. When sunrise strikes these cells, it excites the electrons in the silicon, generating an electric circuit. This current is harnessed to power electrical appliances, light, and even entire homes. There are two main types of solar panels. Monocrystalline solar panels are made from single crystal structures. They are efficient, long-lasting, and tend to be pricier. The next is polycrystalline solar panels made from silicon crystals that are melted together. They are less efficient than monocrystalline panels but are more affordable. Another option is thin film solar panels, which are lighter, flexible, but less efficient compared to crystalline structures. The benefits include numerous reasons why homeowners are choosing solar energy. Number 1. Reduced electricity bills. One of the most attractive benefits is the potential to save on your electricity bills. They generate electricity during the day, which can be used immediately or stored in batteries for use at night. In many cases, one can sell excess electricity back to the grid, further offsetting your costs. Environmental impact. Solar panels are a clean and renewable energy source, reducing reliance on fossil fuels and lowering greenhouse gas emissions. By choosing solar energy, you are contributing to the fight against climate change and supporting the transition to a more sustainable energy future. Energy independence. Solar panels allow you to produce your own electricity, which means you won't be as dependent on utility. This is especially beneficial during power outages or in remote areas where traditional energy infrastructure is not present. Increase in property values. Homes with solar panels tend to have a higher resale value. Buyers are attracted to energy efficient homes with less utility costs. Installing solar panels is an investment that could pay off in the long run. The government incentives. Many governments offer incentives, tax credits, and rebates to encourage homeowners to install solar panels. In some cases, these incentives can cover a substantial portion of the installation costs. So, how to integrate solar panels in your home? Now that you understand the benefits, let's look at the steps involved integrating them into your home. Evaluate your home's energy needs. Before installing panels, it is important to assess your household's energy consumption. Check your monthly electricity bills to determine how much energy you use. This will help you figure out how many solar panels you need to meet your energy requirements. You can consult with a professional solar energy provider who can conduct an energy audit of your home and determine the best size and location. Now, determine the ideal location, as solar panels work best when placed in direct sunlight, so it's essential to choose a location with the most exposure. The roof is the best spot for installation, but you can also consider ground-mounted systems if roof space is limited or if roof does not get enough sun. Factors to consider when selecting the best location. The roof orientation. Ideally, solar panels should face south for maximum sunlight exposure. Roof pitch. Solar panels should be installed at an angle to capture sunlight efficiently. Shading. Ensure there are no trees or buildings casting shadows on the panels, as this will reduce their effectiveness. Choose between grid-tied, off-grid or hybrid systems. You'll need to decide what type of solar energy system is best for your home. Grid-tied solar system is the most common option. It connects your solar panels to the grid, allowing you to draw power from the grid when your panels aren't producing enough energy, such as at night. You can also feed excess energy back into the grid and receive credits or payments from your utility company. Off-grid solar system, like suppose you live in a remote location and want complete independence from the grid, an off-grid solar system might be the right choice. This system stores all the generated energy in batteries for later use, but it requires a larger initial investment due to the need for battery storage. The hybrid solar system combines the best of both worlds, connecting to the grid while also storing excess energy in batteries. It ensures you have backup power during grid outages. Solar panels installation process. Once you've selected the system that works best, you can move forward with the installation. While the process can vary depending on the size and type of system you choose, here's a general outline. Site assessment. A professional solar installer will visit your home to assess your roof's condition, check for shading issues, and determine the optimal placement for the panels. Designing the system is based on your energy needs and roof size. The installer will design a custom solar system. Permits and approvals are depending on your location. You may need to get permits from local authorities before installation can begin. Your installer will typically handle this for you. Installation of solar panels are mounted on your roof and the system is connected to your home's electrical systems. This can take anywhere from 1 to several days depending on the size of the system. Inspection and activation. After installation, your system will be inspected by local authorities or utility providers to ensure it meets the regulations. Once approved, your system will be activated. Maintenance and monitoring. Solar panels are relatively low maintenance. However, you should periodically clean them to ensure they are free of dust or debris that could obstruct the sunlight. Most systems come with monitoring software that allows you to track a performance in real time. While solar panels can last up to 25 to 30 years or more, the inverter, which converts DC to AC power, may need to be replaced after 10 to 15 years. Regular maintenance will help extend the lifespan of your system. Integrating solar panels in your home is an excellent way to reduce energy costs, protect the environment, and gain energy independence. By following the steps outlined, you can successfully install a solar energy system that meets your home's needs. With government incentives and an ever-growing interest in renewable energy, now is a great time to make the switch to solar power. If you're unsure about the specifics of solar panel installation, consulting with a professional solar installer is a wise next step. They can guide you through the process, ensuring you make the best decision for your home. With the right system in place, you'll be harnessing the power of the sun to provide clean, reliable energy for years to come.